Jokes apart, it's a very serious story about Sophie. Yes, Sophie was very much afraid about the deadline to submit a document which is to be error checked and most importantly, grammatically checked before tonight. She was very much worried about the thing. Finally, an happy thing happened. Yes, a genie came in front of her and said he will be helping her to do things. And he offered IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service, so that she can have infrastructure and so that she can develop the application and make use of it and check it. And again, Sophie cried loudly, and Genie understood she don't know to operate with infrastructure, and again it offered PaaS, which means platform as a service, so that she can simply write code, that is code and deploy the application and check it and make the things done. And again, Sophie cried too loudly and she started to sober more. A genie understood and asked her one thing, why she's crying. She said she don't know to choose which language to use it and how to code it. And Genie finally said, I will be giving you SaaS, which means software as a service. So using a subscription, one person can use the software without installing it and worrying about the updates, space, everything. This is what SaaS. And she finally said, thanks Genie for giving me this. And finally, while going to the doorstep, the genie turned and asked. He looked at her resume. She had written C, C++, and Java, and while she struggled to choose to write this application. And finally, Sophie said she know everything, but don't know which language to use to develop it. That's the 1 minute story. A genie shuttered the door and went to the lamp inside and decided not to come back for many years. Thank you. It's the story.